back to my channel. So I am going on a little solo date tonight. I am going to a terrarium workshop out in Deep Ellum, Dallas. So for the fit, I'm wearing this really cute sweater dress from Fashion Nova. I'll probably be dropping a little try-on haul in a week or two that has all the details for this dress. So I am just about to do my makeup and then also do my hair as well. So yeah, I'm gonna film a little bit of that process so that you guys can see. And I'm also probably gonna do a little bit of chit-chatting because I feel like it's been so long since I've just chatted and just, I don't know, I'm feeling like a little chatty Cathy today. So yeah, I'm just gonna chit-chat a little bit with y'all. So I am just gonna do a light makeup for the day, and then for my hair, I am just gonna braid down the front and then throw on my U-part wig. So I'm just gonna get into braiding down my hair. And I know, a jump scare. It looks a little crazy right now, I know guys, but honestly it's not that bad. So I think I'm gonna wet it just a little bit, and I need gel too. And then I also need my rat tail comb so that I can part my hair. It's gonna be a little bit more uneven than I want, but I think I can fix, or hide that I should say, with the U part. So I'm not really too worried about that. And I think that's a little off-centered. Let me see. Actually, that just might be perfect. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna use one of my clips because I don't really feel like grabbing a bunch of stuff to do this, honestly. And I already have a pretty decent amount of product in my hair, so if you guys see a little flaking, that's what it is. And I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water, not too much though. And then I think I'm gonna add some of my Miel leave-in conditioner too. I just love the way this stuff smells. It just smells so fruity and fresh and good. Like I love this stuff, for real, for real. But I guess what really prompted this whole solo date thing is that I have just been kind of struggling in the dating department. And I just decided that I think it's time to just pour some love into myself, and then, you know, the rest will follow. You know, whoever is meant for me will find me naturally, and it'll just come without me having to feel like I'm like, you know, sacrificing too much or giving up on, you know, certain things that I said I would never tolerate, and, you know, just little stuff like that. So I definitely think that, you know, self-love is really the best love. And I really do like to practice what I preach, you know, like I post a lot of solo date content on TikTok and Instagram Reels. And I just want you guys here to see that, yeah, like that's really what I have just been focusing on. It's like this movement of self-love and pouring more into yourself. So I'm excited. I think this is going to be a really fun little event, and I've been really trying to stop being so chaotic, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, I had a kind of chaotic last weekend. I don't even want to get into that. Yeah, what happened in the past stays in the past. But with that being said, really, I am happy to be in a city that has, you know, events like this where if I don't want to drink and if I really am just trying to, you know, have a nice little low-key vibe, it is nice that there are those types of things going on in Dallas, Texas. Okay, I have braided down the front of my hair. I don't know if it's looking exactly how I thought it would look, honestly, but I guess we'll see how it turns out, I suppose. Okay, now I'm just putting my half wig from Icy Hair on my head. I've done a couple of videos about this specific unit. I love this unit. I think it is honestly so perfect for the no heat girlies, and I'm currently in my no heat era again after frying my leave out, y'all. My poor leave out said, baby, leave me out of it. And I said, okay, I got you. No more. No more. So I love this because it's really easy to just put on and take off. Like, I literally just throw it on my head and go. And I think it just looks so natural, honestly. Like, hello. Y'all, this is so cute. It looks so good already. It looks so nice. I think I am gonna add a little bit of water to it though. I keep checking the time. I have to low-key leave in about 20 minutes, so I am trying to hurry up a little bit because the event starts at, the actual terrarium workshop starts at 8, but they're doing a little mixer at 7:30, so I want to attend a little mixer so that I can mix, I guess, so I can meet some people, network a little bit, and get some good behind the scenes footage of just the event and everything going on, I guess. So yeah. Oh, got my wig sliding. But y'all, I have just been in such a different era recently. I just feel like I'm so focused and just like really trying to be the best version of myself and hella locked in recently. And I think it's just because it's starting to dawn on me that, you know, this is really my world. This is my life. Like, if I want to, you know, reach certain heights, ain't nobody gonna do it for me. I gotta do it myself. So I hope you guys notice I have been a little bit more consistent on YouTube. That is one thing that I said that I was gonna do. And I'm really trying, y'all. I am really trying to be back on the YouTube game and just really be back at it, because as some of y'all know, like, I've had my channel for years. And you know, obviously I do have a decent amount of subscribers. I'm forever thankful and grateful for y'all, but it's time for Monet Porter to be bigger. It's time for that name to be more, okay? This is my era. This is my season. And I'm coming for it with full force, okay? I'm not letting up. I'm not, okay? This is my season. This is my time to shine, because Lord knows, baby, I've waited. I've been patient, but it's time. It's time for my break. So I'm trying, y'all. I am trying to do it because I have no reason not to. You know, this is my dream. Time for me to really just, I guess, step up and tackle this life, you know, do all of this big stuff that I say I want to do. So here's how the hair is looking. Y'all, did y'all see how easy it was for me to do my hair? Like, that is why I love this half wig. And just for a little added touch, I'm going to go in and do my edges as well, just so that I can have a little, you know, just something up at the front of my head, I guess. I don't know. I like having my baby hairs out. It does it for me every time. I think I'm gonna move a little bit closer because it's hard to do your baby hairs when you're far away, honestly. I think I'm just gonna have to put a little edges band on because I don't think my edges are going to get super laid. My edges have just been kind of wonky recently for some reason. I don't really know why, but boom, I got my little edges on. Perfect. I got dressed so fast. I love being able to get dressed super quickly. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick. I am doing a real quick 1-2 with the makeup and the hair. I am doing a real light and quick beat. Just a little light coverage concealer, a little 1-2. And I actually learned this technique from this girl in Dallas. She is a beauty influencer. Her name is Stephanie, or it's Steph, I think is her tag. But anyway, she posted a video doing this, and I tried it out, and I said, oh yes, she knows what she's talking about. Like, this technique has changed the game when it comes to my concealer. Because I feel like before, my concealer was kind of coming out a little like heavy and cakey, but this technique has it just perfect. Like, super light coverage, just absolutely perfect. And then I am just going to go in with my setting powder. And I already have my lashes on, so I don't have to worry about that. But I do think I'm going to put a little bit of makeup in the corner of my eye. I've been digging a bright corner eye look recently a lot, so yeah, I'm just going to do that. Oh, and I'm also going to put a little bit on my waterline. I love doing this. I've been doing this for some years now. Ooh, I kind of put a lot, not gonna lie, but oops. Okay, kind of put a lot. And I don't have any more Q-tips either. Whatever, it's fine. Honestly, I wish I would have gotten my eyebrows done. I am long overdue for my eyebrows to get done, but your girl has just been so darn busy that I have not had time. So I'm just gonna use some concealer and just put it on an angled brush so that it can still kind of have that illusion of like freshly done brows, pretty much. I have a little like dark, I don't know where it is though, oh no. But I had a little, oh here it is, I have a little eyebrow. It's almost like an ink pen type of situation that I like to use to fill in the tails of my brows because those are a little bit thin for some reason. Okay. Honestly, this is pretty much my whole makeup look for today because, yeah. Oh, I'm probably gonna do a little something on my lips too. Let's see, what time is it? Yeah, it's about time. So I am going to call my lift and I will see y'all when I'm in the lift. Or actually, I think I want to, no, actually, yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm in the lift because your girl is running late. When am I not though? If you're new here, baby, one thing about me, I'm going to be running a little late. That's just it's kind of my thing. It's just kind of my MO. You know, I like being a little fashionably late to everything. Okay, real quick, we're doing some blush. Real quick. Okay, I will see y'all when I'm in the lift. Alright, so I am on my way to the event. Y'all, I am way later than I thought I was going to be. I thought I was going to be casually late. Now I'm just literally late. Dallas traffic is absolutely ridiculous. But at least I look cute. This is the fit and everything for the day. So yeah, I will catch y'all when I finally get there. So I made it and I decided to just run to the bathroom real quick just so that I could vlog. But it's so cutesy in here. It's definitely my type of vibes. Very like grunge aesthetic, and like, I don't know, everyone just looks so cool. So I'm really excited. So we're about to get started. They already low-key started, but I think she's doing like groups of people because I wasn't the only one who was late. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly come in here to vlog, and yeah.
Okay. So if you're about halfway with your soil,
I have no idea how big her family is, right? But still.
Alright, y'all, so I made it back home. Y'all, I am such a little social butterfly. I am not gonna lie to y'all. So my goal was to pop out and meet new people. All in all, I love solo dates because I always end up meeting people. Like, it's never like, oh my gosh, I'm going out and I just am completely alone. I always end up running into someone or meeting someone, and you know, it's just really a small world. But yeah, that is really all that I have for you guys. Bye.